This is how to fix the 1020 error access denied in mobile. If you recently ran into this problem, it should look something like this. We're going to go to the App Store. We're going to search and press VPN. Now you're going to want to download this app, VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Once we have it downloaded, we're going to open it up. You should see something like this. We're going to press this big power button in the middle. When you see this open up, we're just going to go back, skip all the ads, and here you can see it says connected. Now that error code should fix, but if it doesn't, we can press the option right here. We're going to scroll and try different countries or different places. Let's say Italy right here. It opens up, just go back, and now we're connected to Italy. So if it keeps not fixing, just play around with this, switch VPNs to maybe Singapore. If you just play around with it, one of these countries or one of these places will fix that error code. That is how to fix the 1020 error access denied on mobile.